ES300. Hello YouTube, this is a 2001 Lexus ES300 with 133,000 miles. It's pretty much the same body style throughout the mid-90s. Well, I don't recall doing this generation Lexus before, so I thought about doing it today. And Lexus actually did rather decent interiors those days in their cars. Soft touch materials everywhere throughout the interior. Over the dashboard, side of the center stack, well, there's trim, but it does harden up to the side. You can hear it sounds quite hollow. Also hardens up down here in the sides of the shifter. But at least it's not detachable like in the Camry, so you can't simply just clamp your fingers to the side and lift it up. It's not going to happen. Here's your radio. You have cassette, and you should have a CD changer in the glove box area. See, there it is. Here's the magazine. It should be a 6-disc magazine. I'll show you the glove box again. Here's the climate control. It's not dual zone. You're not going to expect anything like that from this car. 4-speed auto. Yay. And these were the smoker's days, but at least this was a non-smoker, so that's a plus. See your ashtray right there. The AC is very good. And let's go back to the glove box area again. And it's fairly average size, nothing extraordinary, but it's there. Here's the armrest. This is a bit flimsy, not sure-footed at all. And the rest of it, once you lift up the other latch, you have a power outlet down below. It is nicely padded, very soft for your elbow and comfortable. Overdrive button, I forgot to show you that. Well, the steering wheel really isn't overly thick nor overly skinny. It's pretty much average, but they used real wood on here. But you can see the clear finish is cracking. Steering wheel only tilt. Trunk release. Panel dim. And power mirrors. And a little compartment area right there to store whatever you wish. This generation ES had pillarless doors. Well, up here by the glass. Fuck you, love bug. Leave me alone. These are the love bugs. They're actually mating right now. There's actually sex going on right on my arm. I bet they didn't see that coming. Well, the door panel, soft touch materials all over. Nicely padded through the sides and the armrest as well. Very nice. You have your power windows, power locks, and window lock. And Toyota actually followed soft touch materials down below as well, even to the door pocket as well, and they rounded it off. So there's no edge either. Your power seat adjustments down to the side, and here's your memory seating. We'll take a look under the hood. This thing has a Christmas tree going on right now. Bunch of lights lit up. Let's check out the back seat and the trunk. Back seat wasn't too bad. You can see legroom was quite decent for what they were. It's not a large car. It's pretty much similarly sized as the Camry. And materials follow through into the back seat when it comes to the door panel. Nothing changes. The seat is actually quite plush. And this pillow of an armrest, it really is. It's one big hunk of foam, really. Trunk access. cup holders. Very flimsily made. This is not very well made right there. And the ashtray, should have known. These cars really did have a generously sized trunk. You can see the first aid kit hanging right there. It is a bit shallow, but it is very wide and very deep as well. Spare tire ought to be down here. Yeah, it looks like a full-size spare. And Toyota's old 3-liter V6 dual overhead cam engine, variable valve timing, independent variable valve timing. And this engine was used throughout many other Toyota models those days. Screw you, balloon. I forgot to show you off the clock right there. Oh, you lost your sex partner? Go plug your butt somewhere else. Again, your hazards, and I forgot to show you this rear view mirror actually dims. There's an automatic feature right there, and the sensor. Holder for the sunglasses, lighting fixture, sunroof controls. Man, my hands are dirty from that hood. Mirror and vanity light, and this is actually the same setup that is used by other automakers such as Honda and Ford. It never fails, and there are still automakers using the same design, which came out in 1995. The sun visor is nice too. I'm slowly getting the hint that also the sun visor is also made by the same company. And your HomeLink garage door opener, also used by Ford and a few other automakers. It's a universal garage door opener, really. And same thing follows through on the passenger side, mirror and vanity lights. Well, let's give this ES300 a good rev. Let me shut this AC off. Check engine light is on, and traction control light as well. Hopefully that won't mess up my reds. Well, that's the Lexus ES300.